This is the man who changed how the world communicates forever. But his greatest invention was born from a simple problem. In the 1870s, Christopher Latham Sholes was a printer and inventor, frustrated by the slow, error-prone process of writing. His early typewriter designs were plagued by jammed keys. The solution would become a standard for over 150 years. He rearranged the keys into the QWERTY layout we still use today, a brilliant fix to a mechanical problem. 19th century solution that shaped the digital age. The QWERTY keyboard, an idea that literally changed the world.